Columbus Flea Market. Never been here. My mom used to go. I think this actually would be open today if it wasn't raining. On a Thursday. Look like there's anybody in there, Chris?